Welcome to the video, welcome to my channel. Life did not start in a city. Life started in nature. Food, diet started in nature, not in industries, in labs. People came on earth in Ethiopia, east of Africa, in the Garden of Eden, and were eating fruit. By climate change, we went up to the north and we were killing animals to have clothes, protection for the cold, and to eat animal carcass. So originally we are frugivore. So the most healthy is fruit. The fruit has the highest electricity bovis of 10,000 when it's harvested ripe and when it's organic. And no other food can be better than fruit, because from the moment we started the evolution and we were going up to the north and started to cook the meat, we created the disease, cancer, diabetes, high blood pressure, cholesterol, arthritis, name it. All the disease is created by not following the original Eden diet. We lived in between plants in the tropics. The plants were cleaning the air. The plants were our companions. The birds were loving us. The animals were loving us because we did not killing. We did not torturing animals. We have got respect for animals. So originally humans were vegan. And all that misunderstanding about B12 and vitamin D and whatever is all created by the labs, by the industry, by the medical world, by the dietists. But they don't understand that you eat an unnatural, toxic, cooked diet which forms acidic in the body, that you pull minerals from the gut walls, and that you create an environment where are worms in the gut, tapeworms, roundworms, and they are eating from all that storage that you build up by the dehydrated cooked food. And you need to understand that a lemon is an acidic fruit, an orange is an acidic fruit, but they don't become acidic in the body, they become alkaline. They're cleaning out the lymphatic system. And when you eat meat, meat is highly acidic in the body, so we cannot handle meat. meat has 72 hours from mouth to eliminating in the toilet. 72 hours, people. So you are creating digestion that slows down, that is constipating. So the fruit has the fiber, the fruit has the water to give you an easy elimination. To give you an elimination that has no odor. To give you an elimination that comes out fast, not in 72 hours, but in a maximum of 12 hours. So the thing of constipation is not possible with fruits. You don't need toilet paper anymore because your elimination is clean. It's odor, it has no odor. And that's the only food which is healthy, which we can thrive on without a world of suffering, without a world of wars, violence, aggression, a world of pollution by diet packages, by plastics and drinking cans, and all that stuff. No drink, no water can hydrate you. It's going just through the body. The body cannot use it. And all that stuff is these bottles and cans, plastics from sweets. It's all polluting, creating microplastics that go into the earth and contaminating the earth for hundreds of years, for thousands of years. So we're gonna eat microplastic a lot, and we are already doing. So the diet of a man, of mankind, is not a natural but polluting diet. It pollutes the body within, it pollutes the environment, and that is not logical. The diet should clean you out. The diet should have no packages that pollute nature. The diet has seeds. Fruits have seeds. We can throw the apple seeds, we can throw the pear seeds, and we can grow trees, we can reforest, while cattle for meat farming is deforesting. The heavy cattle is hardening the soils that there is no life anymore in these soils. The grass as a monoculture that is depleting the soils. So again, it's not natural to eat animal flesh because it's killing nature. It's polluting the body. So I think everything what I said makes sense, and you are being lied to since you were a child. You were a victim of the industry. You were a victim of a world that is not natural, what we call Babylon. So eat your fruit, grow plants indoor to clean out your air. And you are just a victim of an industrial world. Go back to a natural world. Throw seeds. Help reforest. Pachamama. Peace and love.